You have probably already seen screenshots of people using the TikTok creativity program to make money, but you are not sure which niche to pick. You thought you couldn't succeed in this popular TikTok niche, but all you need to do is make AI images and animate them, as I am going to demonstrate today. Let me show you a sample of the video that you can make at home without any ingredients, since the niche is cooking. Take a trip to muffin perfection with our mouth-watering egg muffin recipes.
Today, we're making delicious egg muffins. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Celsius, 175 degrees Celsius. Next, whisk.
Initially ask ChatGPT for some recipes. Now with the help of Leonardo AI, generate the images that you will convert to AI videos. Use the prompts like egg on the kitchen countertop. Now see the results. Additionally, I created the final images of the egg muffin. The best part is that you will not need the widely used stock images or videos. Just choose an image you like, click generate motion video, adjust the visibility and motion strength, and watch my results. These are not photoshopped images. They really look like a video captured with a camera or a phone. Let's now write a script for our video. You can ask ChatGPT again, but to be honest, I didn't like this script, so I wrote my own by searching for a recipe for egg muffin and using the intro from ChatGPT. Now we need a voiceover for our script. You can use your own voice also. Hannah from Elevenlabs was used for the voiceover. If you would like to use her voice as well, click the link in the description to visit voices and find her voice there. To edit your TikTok video, simply paste your script and press generate.
Today, we're making delicious egg muffins. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees.
Then start your journey toward muffin perfection with our mouth-watering egg muffin recipe. Because CapCut is free and has so many animations and transitions, I suggest using it. Scale your AI video to fit the 9:16 aspect ratio for this niche and add your clips and voiceover to the track. I will use transitions and effects. I will also use animations like zoom in and out, fade and shake animations. If you are an expert editor, you know what to do. Of course, we need captions. Go to text auto caption and create a sentence. Then change the font and preset style. Verify that the captions are free of typographical errors. And there you have it. A video in one of the most watched niches on TikTok that doesn't include any ingredients. Let's check it out.
Today, we're making delicious egg muffins. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Celsius, 175 degrees Celsius. Next, whisk together 6 eggs in a bowl. Add your favorite ingredients like diced vegetables. I am using bell peppers, spinach and onions, and shredded cheese. Season with salt, pepper, and any other spices you like. Grease a muffin tin with cooking spray and pour the egg mixture evenly into each cup. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the muffins are set and lightly golden on top. Let them cool for a few minutes before removing them from the tin. Enjoy your tasty and convenient egg muffins for breakfast, or a snack anytime.
I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and leave a comment encouraging me to show you more lucrative niches. Please subscribe my channel for more incredible ideas. Remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.